Welcome to my channel Technical Smart. Hi friends, in this video we are talking about all features of newly launching Vivo iQOO 5 series. They are iQOO 5 and 5 Pro. Both smartphones supports 5G. If you are first time watching my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos and click on bell icon. Let's start. First, talking display. Both smartphones support 6.56-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED punch-hole display with 1080 x 2376 pixels resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support. Both the smartphone are powered by latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset with octa-core processor. For gaming, company had added multi-turbo 4.0 technology and VC liquid cooling system that refuses the phone temperature in extreme conditions. With software front, they runs with Android 10 operating system, and the network connectivity option in this phones are 5G. iQOO 5 packs with 8GB or 12GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB internal storage, but iQOO 5 Pro comes with 256GB internal storage. Coming to the cameras, the iQOO 5 and iQOO 5 Pro phones pack triple rear cameras at the back. This includes a 50-megapixel primary camera. The iQOO 5 has a 13-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 13-megapixel portrait lens. iQOO 5 Pro, on the other hand, comes with a third, 8-megapixel telescope sensor. iQOO 5 Pro comes with 60x digital zoom, but iQOO 5 comes with only 20x zoom, and both comes with recording 8K videos, EIS anti-shake recording, with LED flash. Along with that, both smartphones comes with 16-megapixel front camera. Here you can see in-display fingerprint scanner and dual stereo speakers. The iQOO 5 packs a 4500 mAh battery with 55W fast charging support, whereas the iQOO 5 Pro model packs a smaller 4000 mAh battery but offers 120W fast charging support. And talking about price, iQOO 5 Pro, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage model at 53,900 rupees and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage model at 59,300 rupees. This variant comes in track version and legendary edition color options. The iQOO 5, 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model at 43,100 rupees. 12GB RAM plus 128GB storage model at 46,300 rupees, and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage model at 49,600 rupees. This base iQOO 5 model comes in Star Trace and Hao Ying color options. Both are weights around 197 grams. Pre-sale of this both smartphones starting from August 24th. Don't forget to subscribe channel and like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.